Hi everyone, I'm Ujjwal and you're watching Digit. In this video, I'm going to show you how to chat about an image from ChatGPT Library on browser. So first open any browser you have and then go to chatgpt.com website. Now here switch to library and here you can see all the files and images you have shared with ChatGPT, and you can also access the images that you have generated with the help of ChatGPT here. So if you want to chat about any image, or you just need to click on this new drop down menu. Now to here chat about any image, you have two different options. First click on the image you want to chat about, and here in the prompt box ask anything related to the image. You can ask about the image, or you can simply create anything related to this image. Now the second way is to take your cursor to the preview of the image you want to chat about and then select that image. After that, here you can see a start chat button. Click on it and the image will instantly send to ChatGPT. It will instantly start working as soon as it gets the image. If you want to ask anything further related to this image, you can ask ChatGPT by writing that in the prompt box and send it. Now if you want to chat about multiple images, then select the images you want to chat about and then click on the start chat button and follow the same process. So that's it. If this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.